Okay, so I'm going to start off by using the Jeffree Star Concealer as primer for my eyelids, just because I'm going to do the purple look that you guys saw, and I want the purple to stand out. So I'm going to put this light concealer on my eyelids, just kind of to prime and make the purple stand out. I usually don't use any kind of concealer on my eyes to prime them, but I want it to be as vibrant as it can be. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this one's by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here. I'm gonna put that shade on my lid and then blend it out as a transition color, and then I'm going to deepen it up with a darker purple. So I'm just going to kind of pack it on my lid and then blend it out. And I'm starting at the center of my eye because I'm going to put a lighter purple in the inner corner. And I'm just going to work my way up. Okay, and I'm just going to take a regular blending brush and blend out the edges. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with this lighter purple, and I'm going to use this on the inner corners of my eyes. And just pack it on and blend it into the darker purple. And I'm using this one because this one has more of a sheen to it, like a frost. So, but I think I'm going to go back over it with a highlight color also. Okay, now I am going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm taking this color right here. It's a little bit darker than the one that I'm using right now. This one is called Gem. And I'm just going to put it in the crease just to darken it up a little bit. I'm just going to go back in with the first shade and pack it on again. I feel like I kind of lost a little bit of the color, so we're going to just pack it back on. And then I'll go back in with the blending brush and just blend it again. Okay, and I'm going to go in with a very thin line of eyeliner. This is the Ultimate Maximum Black eyeliner, and this is called Miss Lean, I don't know, Maxi Black. So I'm going to go in with a thin coat of this. It's just a little felt tip. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade number 320 Honeyvale. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer, and this is in the shade Cocoa Cutie. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to use this just to contour around my face. I'm just using this angled brush. And this is very pigmented, so I only pick up a little bit. And then just start at the cheekbones, like right underneath. And kind of blend upwards. Now I'm going to use this Dare to Create palette. It's so dirty. And I'm going to pick up this shade. Why does it look different? It looks... Okay, I'm going to pick up this shade right here. I don't remember the name, but I'm going to use this kind of to warm up my face. I'm just going to use this fluffy brush. Okay, I'm going to mix these two shades right here and use them as blush because I can't find my blush palette anywhere, so. Okay, so I'm going to move back to the eyes, and I'm going to use this Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Powder. Okay, so I'm just grabbing a little brush. I'm going to go back with the Jaclyn Hill palette and the color Ballsy, this one right here. And I'm going to put that on top also. And I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara. Of course, I'm going to use the Great Lash mascara. I'm just going to do one coat. But these are the lashes I'm using. Okay, so while the lash glue is drying, I'm going to go in with these concealers, the Revolution concealers. And these are in the shade C12 and C9. And then under my eyes also, and on my forehead. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with this lighter color, which is the one that I used for the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to use this on the bottom lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with just a regular black eyeliner and line my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild loose powder, the shade Hustle and Glow. So it looks like this, and the loose powder looks like this. And I'm just using another e.l.f. brush or Wet n Wild. Put it in the usual spots, my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and my forehead, a little above my lip. Okay, and I'm gonna finish off with the lips. I'm gonna use this shade. It's Kat Von D. So this is the color. And I can't read the shade because my eyes are actually burning with the contacts. So I'll leave it down in the description box. And I'm gonna go on top of it with the first shadow that I used in the VH Cosmetics palette. Okay guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And hit the little bell notification button on the side. That way you can be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.